ki plan nakabenta ka jaka sor ki bathamai hakisnem banwan banpet ya ka jingdheng kali. Ubat har ula pentikna ba ka sarkar kan persang ban penya ya ki project hapo jong ka Shillong Smart City. Ka sarkar kadang persang ru banpet ya ki jing ki biya day bat ki nong di madan ban pentikna ba on penken ria ya ki katkum ka jing batha ka yeng ka syari.
Is yet to come up very soon, and even from the Urban Affairs Department, we have recently passed a parking policy on the urban, which should help immensely, I should say, because parking policy, especially for strict policy. So this is one of the criminal measure, and the other parking is coming up maybe in very short times, and the other issue you know very well. Police traffic is maintained very well about this issue, traffic issue.
Kasarkar Meghalaya kadang yat syakmat bat ki plan jangka ban bu ya ka Veterinary Hospital lane ka jaka Sumar Merat ka babahatam bat ka balong katkum ka juk bamenta ha Upper Shillong. Menteri Ketenat Animal Husbandry uba Alexander lalu hek ula pintikna baya kane ka project ka ban kot hadu laifu arklur tingka on bay tingka hapo jangka Prime Minister's Divine Scheme bat layo ru ya ka jing menjur na ka State Level Empowered Committee. Kane ka jaka Sumar ki Merat kan don ya ki rukom Sumar ki babiang bha na ka benta ki Merat bapher bat ka jingte ya ka kan sa sedang shen.
Fulfill all the veterinary hospital at Upper Shillong. It has already sent the proposal to, I don't know if I remember correctly, 2-3 proposal already sent through the planning department. So the planning department also they have asked for some queries and all. Again we have fulfilled all the queries. But this budget session which was held recently, the clearly has mentioned there not only the veterinary hospital but the state-of-art veterinary hospital is coming up at Shillong.
Ikong lesbilan yauren inong hikay iblakala long nong rep na Meghalaya ila siya penkop khusnam namar ke jingtrey barat ba jong bantung ya ki jingtung baklem dawai. Ikong lesbilan ila pindon kam dakisbo Maryang hakajaka ban pindon kam dakisbo dawai bat namar kane ke jingle jong ila yo ya ke jing itu na ka National Center for Organic and Natural Farming Uttar Pradesh. Ila yo men siem ban trey ya kane kam na ikpa jong bat ila sedang ban le ya ka kam rep klem dawai nadu kasnem arhajar khandai bat minta itmu banyasam ya ki jing tip jong bat ki weipan.
Labu ka ya kani ka awat ngayok nak menta ka organic farming panga rep klem ai dawai de ki dawai ki ba penun kam kilang tangka bio fertilizer
manu ba ai pi kani ka awat
pa ai kani ka awat ka de ka National Center Organic and Natural Farming na po Uttar Pradesh KHASI ya kani ka organic farming hapo ka jing alam jong ipak mu labun snam la syuk ban nhiều namar naduk kisnam arhajar khandai arjar sipo gumta terter haduk mentah nrei panggil register ya kanika PGS India ha unus nam arhajar arsau ha bana Julai
Syumudur ba omla banlet jengo iki parlok banlet jingeseng ne wat banlet chau doktor nakabenta ki babun ki baduna ki khotmet banyat banyeng kamdei tang ka jing kadei ka jingale ka paman la kasngi Henry menta ka sngi ka jing thmu ka bathamai ha Shillong ka aya ka lat ka bawanra ya ka jing kala ha ka jing jong ki to ki baduna ha ki khotmet tung yakmi ya ka ni ka khubor
ka Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation Center kala pelait ba ya ka kali baningkong ha ka than jate lammi ngi ka bala ban penrung ringkat ka wheelchair ha po kali ha Shillong ka Kia Karens balashna kerpang bala ban kit ya hendreungut kinong let nongwan kenthop ya iwei iba pendan kam wheelchair ringkat bat ka jakarung ka ba armitar na syadien na kabenta ban pensuk ha ka por barung kidan ru kijing pendai ki bas kem na kabenta ka wheelchair ki seat belt ban pentikina ya ka jingshong shngan bat pensuk ya baro kinong let nongwan.
We started it because people cannot move around, and I, as a doctor in physical medicine and rehabilitation or PMR, I found too many patients struggling because they cannot come for their appointments or struggling because many say, I cannot go to church anymore. Or some say, I do not get to meet my friends anymore. So it affects them at a very whole level. I had this idea, and it's just been sitting as an idea because I did not have the funds. And then somehow I believe that God opened up an opportunity, and we went to Prime. A large chunk was from the grant. It was not the entire amount. So then there was still a lot left. Dr. Amperine also filled in. The rest we covered from personally. For now, because it's just one vehicle, so they can just call. They can just call the number which is here, 70852 35036.
Kani ka jingmut kawan na I Dr. Lahun lang Soalia ibalayo I yak jing jong kibre ki beduna ki dekhotmet banyat banyeng. Klem da yo jingerap pisa ha ka baning kong kani ka project kala yo ka jingerap pisa lingba ka prime kickstart grant bat kiwe ki jingno senyang. Mentala la ban buk ya kani ka kali lingba ka phone I Dr. Soalia I kermen ba kani ka project kan ai men siam yikitu ki baduna ha ki dekhotmet bekin yo ya ka lat ban de jinglet da ka ba kham suk ha kaleng kanong ba.
Vehicle for wheelchair users like me. I believe it's a great step, first like one step ahead towards accessibility when it comes to transportation for a person like us. So
Wat la ka wei ka kali ka la ban long kum ka sin jam ka barit hinrei ka ai ka jinglat lo ye ki tu ki basha te ha ka jingbam la ban yan. Da ka jingyai biteng jongka jingkershan ka ni ka jingthmu ka la ban yalam sha ka lawai ka ba khamsuk na ka benta baro. Bureau Report DD News Meghalaya.
Nakabenta ki babun ka jingkhia kasdang nakikti jong ikong aidaris marbanyang inong penkhia ibayay beteng ya karukom sumar kenbat bat ka bakhem kabala rim da ki spasnem hakani ka tayo ila play ya laka jong ka center hakasnong maupun kshat ka ba ay jingkermen bat jingarap ya ka imlang salang tok yakmi ya kani ka khubor.
Jingya lenti jeng ikong aidaris marbanyang hakakam ai jing sumar kelas dang nado be idang kena ya ka bala penslur da ikmi jong inong sumar ibadon buromba benta ila beteng ya kapateng jong ikme jong ida ka ba ai jing sumar na ka benta gi jingpang kum ka jingkeu ka blood pressure ka jingpang yap silyang bat ki jingpang mat da ki dawai ken bat da ka ba khem ila yo ya ka jingshan ya jong ki babun ki nong shong shnong ki ba ya sami ki khana ki ba bha jong ka jing yarap bat ka jing yok khia
ala long na du dang khana bala kai ding me te da long tu min nang yai beteng ka tes kini sekir dia itu orang itu kena liang kakot kekia kami tidak buat tidak dikira jangan kabur diberi nama orang kampat bu cinta bu record dia baru tidak kadang nak buat lagi beri.
Ya kan ni jing play pat ba la ya lam da urang ba snong uba bandari rintathyang ubala ban jor halor ka jing dan kamban penne pensa ya ka jing sumar tenrai bat ka jing dei ka bajelio jong I bat ka imlang sa lang. Ula ai ka jing kershan ka baklan ya ka jing tmu jong ikong ai deres iba ya hap bat ki jinglong jong ka snong kum ka jing shanya holiday bat ka jing penne pensa ya ka kolshor kinong shong snong ru kila ai ka jing khoblei da ka bakermen bakani ka jaka kan dang beteng ban ai ki jing sumar tenrai hakis nem ban wan
men skate umrang ba snong ma yo ban play ni kan ini kong de bala don sap shisai ba don la jong ka sap ban sumar breu Maria la de ronga sumar hai ayo jikot mo an marwa ide batbet ya ba don gina ni ji pang ma ba khem kchat na bagi ti dawai khasi bonjat sumar gi yeki breu ba pang ba stom don gi bawan na jangai na jan mo don ga sap ko fer gi certificate ba bon gi certificate ila yo de re myo kala ben pau shabar den re de gi ji do ma ba bini yang ani certificate langsung dai ba indon la jong kedukan nala ajung mudi ba play la jong kedukan ba peni gini certificate ji
kani ka jaka ai jing sumar ka penpau ya ka jing dei ka bajan jong ka snong bat kiriti dostor jong ka kalong ka bakham palat ban ya ka jaka ka basumar ya ka met kalong ka jing shai jong ka jing kermen ka bakentio ya kiru kompen khia bala penne pensa nadu ki pateng ubarim ka jaka ai jing sumar jong ikong ai deres mar banyang ka pen iya ka sin jam ka bakongsan ha ka penne pensa ikiriti dostor hendai ha ka perthai menta Bureau Report DD News Meghalaya.
Ka Henyau Trap National Youth Front kalapan ko burom ya utarsan limba uwe na kidikot barim jong kaseng ubadang shulat shen na along hadien ba ula sya akem namar kajing sya keno don kti hakakam le no ya limba ubabat ya kakam kum u disciplinary secretary jong ka HNYF lapdiang ngau bha dagi para dekot bar ki bhayeng wasem kinong yalam ka HNYF kilapen pa ya kajing ngau ya ka yeng kashari bat ya ka kenhon kinong ya sad an kiblala ban pelat ya udkot jong ki ulemba ulapen pau ba unyai beteng bat tre bat IT syakaseng bat kabha kamiat jong ka imlang salang.
Hari day bagane iso bodong ba cepat ri bahaya ngasem mo ki ba don kat bangeng na bang syab til melti ya i mata son jingi bat khadu khat ai ngai ka ji publi nam ta jong i sar sempliang na kaleng jingi kum kaseng ka ji trai stom jingi bat ka jing le stom jingi Pengirap kamdi tangkani ko kias bat buntili kiasi bat anes kemarin ni don mengi
Ka jingtmu ya ka Minrit ha East Giant Hills District kalala ban ajing hikai ya palat 1000 praspa angut ki samla puli ha ki soft skills bat ka jing corridor ya la die lengba ka winter camps ka program kalwapan le jingmut ha ka batay ya ka jing shania bat banweng ya ka jing di buat kalakut no da ka jing sam ya ki certificate ha ka jing yalang ha ki school St Peter's Secondary School bat Sacred Heart Secondary School kane ka jing tmu ka day shibenta jong ka jing persang badang ya chakmat jong ka jilla bantaw ya ka Meghalaya ka balat na udrok.
As you know that mental health is very important for one's life.
La penlong ya ka jingalang pa khna ya lekai na ka benta ki khna shinrang under 17 na Minken Christian High Secondary School Boirambong ha ka ba kila pen kre ban mi khmat ya ka jilla Meghalaya ha ka limpong ya lekai football ba ar jong ka Indo-French football tournament ha Paris unong ai but jong umintri rang ba ka jilla uba Hamlet Darling but u sports director Udiki Shira kila kitbok kit ruang ya ka kenhon bakan job da ka banjur ya ka jingdon kam ban kintiw ya ka football ha ka jilla.
So we are very, very fortunate enough that we got this opportunity, and please make use of this platform. Because from the Meghalaya Football Association also, we are looking upon you. If football is going to grow in India, in Meghalaya, I agree with Baming. We need to start football right from the grassroots level. In Meghalaya Football Association, we always discuss that we need to see good players to represent the state of Meghalaya.
Mentangin ya pet ya ka jinglong jingman kasud meneng ha tura. Ka jing kriat kalong kat pra degree Celsius, bat ka jing shit kalong arpunyo degree Celsius. Ka jing ngam ka haw kalong sanpu ana ka shispa. Habapai pa chakanong ba shilong ka jing kriat kalong kat point san degree Celsius, bat ka jing shit kalong kat pra point nyo degree Celsius. Ka jing ngam ka haw kalong kandai pu ana ka shispa. Kat ba hajawai pat ka jing kriat kalong kat degree Celsius, bat ka jing shit kalong kat kandai degree Celsius. Ka jing ngam ka haw kalong nyo pu ana ka shispa. Kalaban don ka jing hap slap hakikat tu kani ki jaka hatura jawai bat shilong. Shwaban pai ka tup shwaban penkut yaki kubon nya pet biang yaki mat ki bakong san. Penpau ke Sarkar Meghalaya ya kajing kermen ba onla ban penduna ya kajing dhengkali hasilong lengba kajing pentrekam ya ke Meghalaya parking policy arhajar arpusan. Ka Sarkar Jilla Meghalaya kadang ya chakmat bat kiplan bantaw ya ka Veterinary Hospital ke babha bat ka bakatkum kajuk bamenta ha upper shilong. Bat ka Physical Medicine bat Rehabilitation Center Shillong kalapelat ya ka kali baningkong hakatan stela mingi kabala ban penrong ya ka wheelchair. Te parlok katung ila poy syaka bakut jong katup kubor jingi mitaka janmiet hadu beng de syambiang bat pila syai kesngi kublai pi baro.
delegation of Supreme Court judges led by Justice Bhushan Ramkrishna Gawai, who is also the executive chairman of National Legal Services Authority, NALSA. The delegation visited Surachandpur and attended the inauguration program of Legal Services Camp, Health Camp and Legal Aids Clinics. They distributed relief materials to internally displaced persons, IDPs, at a relief camp. They also visited relief camps in